Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a quick trip from Tokyo to one of the most underrated gems in Ibaraki, the Ibaraki Nature Museum. If you're traveling with kids or just love nature and science, this place is a must visit. Located just about 1.5 hours from Tokyo by car, this museum is surprisingly easy to access. Driving is definitely the most convenient way to get here. And guess what? Entry is just around 500 yen for adults. Super affordable for a full day of discovery. Another bonus, parking is free. As soon as you enter, you'll be greeted by a giant mammoth skeleton. This replica of the Songkhwa River mammoth stands over 4 meters tall and is an iconic symbol of the museum, representing the mystery of the past. And just behind the mammoth, you'll find a breathtaking replica of Neurosaurus, a giant sauropod that lived in Asia during the early Cretaceous period. It's one of the largest known dinosaurs in Asia, measuring 26 meters long and 9.75 meters tall. Next, we enter the first exhibition room, the Evolving Universe. This zone explores the mysteries of space, from galaxies and the solar system to fascinating meteorites. With immersive lighting and displays, it feels like you're aboard a spaceship. You can discover the unique features of Mars and Venus, their terrain, temperature, and atmosphere. One highlight is the impressive meteorite collection. These samples from beyond Earth offer valuable insights into the birth of the solar system and the secrets of the cosmos. Exhibition Room 2, The History of the Earth. After the meteorites, we move into a small theater where a short film plays, introducing the birth of our planet and the evolution of life on Earth. It's a great way to immerse yourself before seeing the real fossils up close. In this room, we explore the story of Earth through layers of rock, stunning minerals, and ancient fossils. Over billions of years, rocks have been weathered, transported by wind and water, and layered to form the Earth's crust. Each layer holds clues, like pages of a book, telling us about the planet's dramatic past. We then come face to face with dazzling mineral formations, the fierce skeleton of a saber-toothed tiger, and a life-size diorama of dinosaurs in action. Here you'll find a wide array of reconstructed dinosaur skeletons, ranging from herbivorous giants to ferocious predators. Some of the fossils on display are real, not replicas. adding to the excitement and authenticity of the experience. You can almost imagine these creatures roaming the Earth millions of years ago. The sheer size and detail of these specimens are breathtaking. Exhibition Room 3, The Systems of Nature. This section explores how animals, plants, and microorganisms adapt to various environments like forests, rivers, lakes, and oceans. You'll find beautifully detailed dioramas showing forest ecosystems, aquatic life in rivers and lakes, and even a massive sea ecosystem, featuring fish skeletons and marine life. All living things are part of a balanced system, powered by sunlight and connected by the food chain. Through interactive displays and living exhibits, you'll discover how nature works as one unified system. Moving on, we enter Exhibition Room 4, The Mechanisms of Life. Here we explore the fascinating diversity of living things and the ways they have adapted to survive and thrive. Finally, the mechanism of the body of living things compares the skeletal structures of various species. By examining these similarities and differences, we uncover the shared design and remarkable variety of life on Earth. And then we head to the special exhibition corner. The walls are completely covered with posters from past exhibitions. You'll find native and rare species from Ibaraki's wetlands, plus slime molds, mosses, and seed stories across their life cycle. Geology showcases Ibaraki's rocks and fossils, from the Paleozoic to the Cenozoic. The animals area traces evolution, from invertebrates and fish to birds and mammals, many with real specimens. Next, we head to the special exhibition area. During my visit, it featured some of the most popular exhibits from the museum's 30-year history. It's always exciting to see which special exhibition is on when you visit. Now, let's head outside the museum. Tokyo Dome's 3.5 times larger outdoor facilities are truly impressive. This time, due to limited time, we only visited the Lawn Plaza, the Flower Valley, and the Soramachi Sluice Bridge. The scenery was absolutely beautiful. Although the restaurant inside looked tempting, bringing your own bento and enjoying lunch outdoors would also be a wonderful experience. That's all for today's video. Sometimes it's nice to step away from Tokyo and enjoy a museum surrounded by the great outdoors. We hope you enjoyed exploring the Ibaraki Nature Museum with us, and maybe it will inspire your next trip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more adventures.